there's this interesting tool in Photoshop now where you can take something that is set to a particular perspective, and let's say I have another scene that has a slightly different horizon line, and it might have a slightly different vanishing point in a different location. So you can take something that is set in one perspective view and adjust the whole perspective view of that object. I'm going to group everything together, create a new layer, flatten the sides and the top to create one single image. And then I'm going to go into edit and go to perspective warp. So here in perspective warp, the way this works is you draw out these boxes. So you draw out one box, and then you can select the corners and you match it up with the current perspective of whatever object you have. So matching up these corners, and then I draw another box, and then when you get close to a side, it snaps together for you. So it snaps, and I have that corner set, and I can draw one more. And if I get close enough, it should, snap to that side, and then I can bring this down. So this perspective warp tool is letting you draw these new sides to the pre-existing object, and then you select warp, and then you can take any corner and move those corners, and that will let you change your perspective. So you can take something that is set, like I had in this orthographic view, and now manipulate that perspective. So this will allow you to adjust the foreshortening of the object as it recedes into space. And then once you're happy with it, you hit this little check mark, and now you have this new type of perspective set on that piece of artwork. So you can bring in, let's say you have a scene where you have a road and you have a car, and you bring in a car from another photograph, but the car's in a different position. You can adjust that position, and you can make it work in that scene. And so